Determine the voltages at the nodes in figure. This is node 1, this is node 2, this is node 3. We have to determine the voltages of these nodes. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Let's say voltage at node 1 is V1, voltage at node 2 is V2 and voltage at node 3 is V3. Now we will apply. Now before applying KCL we will consider the current. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3. All the currents are towards this reference node. Now we will apply KCL at node 1. At this node we will apply KCL. So entering current is 3, leaving current is Ix plus I3, Ix plus I3. So this will be 3 is equal to Ix is V1 minus V2 by 2, V1 minus V2 by 2 plus I3 is V1 minus V3 by 4, V1 minus V3 by 4. Then this will be, we will multiply both sides by 4. So this will be 12 is equal to 2V1 minus 2V2 plus V1 minus V3. Now this will be 2V1 plus V1. This will be 3V1, then minus 2V2, then minus V3 is equal to 12. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will apply KCL at node 2. Apply KCL at node 2. So this will be Ix is equal to I1 plus I2. Ix is equal to I1 plus I2. Ix is V1 minus V2 by 2. V1 minus V2 by 2 is equal to I1. I1 is V2 minus 0 by 4. V2 minus 0 by 4 plus I2. I2 is V2 minus V3 by 8. V2 minus V3 by 8. Now we will multiply both sides by 8. Multiply both sides by 8. So this will be 4V1 minus 4V2 is equal to 2V2 plus V2 minus V3. V2 minus V3. Now this will be 4V1 minus 4V2 minus 2V2 minus V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. Now this will be 4 V1, then minus, this will be 4, 2 and minus 1. So minus 7. Minus 7 V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we will apply KCL at node 3. Apply KCL at node 3. So this will be, entering current is I3 and I2. Leaving current is 2Ix. So I3 plus I2 is equal to 2Ix. I3 plus I2 is equal to 2Ix. Now I3 is V1 minus V3 by 4. V1 minus V3 by 4 plus I2 is V2 minus V3 by 8. V2 minus V3 by 8 equal to 2Ix. So Ix is 2 into Ix. Ix is V1 minus V2 by 2. V1 minus V2 by 2. Now again we will multiply both side by 8. So this will be V1 multiply both sides by 8. So this will be 2V1 minus 2V3, then plus V2 minus V3 is equal to 8V1 minus 8V2. Now 2V1 minus 2V3 plus V2 minus V3 minus 8V1 plus 8V2 is equal to 0. Now this will be 2 minus 8. So minus 6V1. Then V2 and this 8V2. So this will be plus 9V2. Then this minus 2 and this minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 3V3 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now using elimination technique or Cramer's rule or directly by using calculator we can solve these 3 equations. So mod 5. Now 3 unknowns, so we will take equation number 2. Now we will put the values. 3, this 3 minus 2, this minus 2, then minus 1, then 12. 3 minus 2 minus 1, then 12. Then equation number 2, 4 minus 7, 1, 0. 4 minus 7, 1 and 0. Then equation number 3, minus 6, 9 minus 3. Minus 6 plus 9 minus 3. Then 0. This will be V1 is equal to 4.8 volt. V2 is equal to 2.4 volt, 2.4 volt, and V3 is equal to minus 2.4 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.